JDCap26 here. I just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And here we've got a Leatherman, and this is a custom leather case that I made for the Leatherman. And it's the Leatherman, let's see here, Charge. Okay, Leatherman Charge, and I made pockets inside there of the case to have the tools in there, and also a sharpening steel right there. Actually, that sharpening steel, you could sharpen the nippers that I was talking about. I just forgot that I had that. So what we want to do here is we want to open this up, and it's kind of hard to open. So he's got these star bits in here. We're going to try to adjust this so it's easier to open. So let me get the tools out for that. So we got this neat little kit here. Got one of these off of eBay. It's the JK6089 series of tools. Really nice. T10, I believe it is. So we've got a T10 here. And I'll try to do it this way so you can see. Let's see if we can move that, loosen it up a little bit. That's tightening. Got to go this way. A couple turns. That one seems to be loose. This one is a little tight. Let's see now. It's a little bit better. Let's try this side. You don't want to unloosen them so much that they back off completely and you lose the screw. That one seems to be loose. Let's try this one. A little more. A little bit smoother. Let's try backing him off a little bit more here. Just out of curiosity. What I'm going to do, I'm going to really back it off on that side and on this side. We're not even counting, so that seems better. Let's go a little more. This is with the T10. This side. Let's see how it is now. Opens a little bit better. It's got that like step opening to it, you know. It steps twice. So you want to get out the WD-40, or even there's another one, break free, and you want to go in here and put a squirt of break free or WD-40 in these joints right here, and work the plier back and forth. Actually, that smaller bottle was dead, so we've got the choice of WD-40 silicone, which is actually for a rubber, and the regular WD-40, so we use the one on the right. So my conclusion of lubricating and adjusting the screws don't have much adjustments. You got to hold both screws, the torque screws on both sides with the same bit to adjust them and make it looser. You could lose your screws after a while doing that. Putting a little WD-40 on there, it helps a little bit, the surge, but not as much as I want to. I think just over time, wear and tear does become a little bit better to open up and use. So there's my tip for today, and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.